Dumelang Botswana. My name is Thulaganyo Tshwanagai. I am a student at the University of Botswana studying BA Economics during my third year. I am a student of 20 years old. I am here today to audition for Gemstone Models. I must say I'm very happy and feel honored to be here because I've long wanted to be here, but I think I have lacked the courage. But today it's an opportunity and I feel so blessed. I've long wanted to become a model. I think modeling is fun. It's not only fun, but it grooms you to be a better person, both intellectually, skills. It improves certain skills like your intelligence, business skills, your confidence, self-esteem. I believe that I have the potential to become the next gemstone because I consider myself a young African woman endowed with inner beauty. I also can express myself eloquently with substance and confidence. I believe in myself. Everything that I do, I give it my absolute best. I'm a confident young woman, self-driven and self-motivated. I'll feel privileged and blessed if I'll be given the privilege to go to LA to model for the awesome and fantastic designers, the likes of Marc Jacobs, Calvin Klein, those beautiful designers, to walk down the runway, because I believe that if I can be given the opportunity, I'll be able to give it my absolute best and my all. Please, Botswana, vote for me. I'll be so blessed and privileged. Thank you.